Okay.
Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney, Sydney, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney, Sydney, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney Doja, Sydney, Sydney.
What's poppin', Slimmafia? It's Slimmbabiii, and I'm back with another freaking banger, you dig? So before we get into this video, you already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and bell, you notified of the what? Tell a friend, 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 tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button and become part of the mafia, period. Like, you ain't gotta hurt too much, you ain't gotta hurt too much. So as you can see by the thumbnail title we're getting into today, I'm gonna be transferring myself into a Bratz doll. I did this in the past and it was a fail, but I want to try it again because I'm bored and I want to play makeup and clothes, period. So I'm gonna show y'all the look that I'm going for. Hopefully I pull it off. This is the only outfit I had near this, so yeah, we're gonna be trying to do this blue look real cute and we're gonna try to pull it off, okay? So this is the makeup I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna show y'all. I got everything on the floor, so get up. So all my makeup is in here, and here just full of junk of makeup. Then I'll be talking to you guys. Then I'm wearing this contour palette. I don't really know how to do makeup like this what I'm doing. Then I got my beauty book, aka the Darn Book. I use this a lot. If y'all see my get ready with me, y'all know. I love this. And I got it from Five Below. Period. Best purchase I ever motherfucking made. But and the lashes gonna be from Eye Candy Nails and Lashes on Instagram. I always use their lashes, and I'm probably gonna put some nails on just to spice it up a little bit. I don't know, but y'all already know we about to get straight into this video. I'm not gonna do much talking in the video. I'm just straight action. Y'all just go see it come together. And make sure you follow me on my social media. It's on the screen in the description down below. And yeah, comment what y'all want to see next because we on the road to bigger and greater. Y'all hate my piercing get dry, like it feels weird. But yeah, we're on the road to bigger and greater, and I really don't know what to say. But let's get straight into it.
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. We the girls with the passion for fashion. We'll always be there for each other. Styling how we feel, talk about past friends. Together we can do anything. Gotta plan the dream, take a chance and believe in you real. With the Bratz, everybody now dresses just like us. Hair to our shoes, me and my girls, we run this show. Ooh.
Okay, so this is the finished look on the hair and the face. Now I'm gonna get my outfit out, put it together, and show y'all. I know her hair did not look like this, but I got this wig on, and this bitch cool as fuck. So this is what I have to do. So I like a little gel curl, I'm getting better at these wig stuff. Like, give me a round of applause. But let me get my clothes out. I'll be neat. So this is the finished product. I went to another room so y'all can see like the full effect, you know. So got this shirt. It says baby. Then I'm gonna scoop this down. Got the joggers. I know it's a different blue. I got the Jordans. Okay. Ooh. Let me show y'all the shoes up close and personal. They might be a little dirty because I don't have them a lot. Been a couple years, but yeah. So fresh. So fresh. How I do rate me 1 to 10. I do myself the good. 9 out of 10. This is way better than last time. I feel like I do anything. What y'all think? Leave in the comment section below. If you want a part 3, put in the comment section down below. Send me some Bratz doll pictures y'all want me to try to recreate, and I'm gonna try to recreate them. Period. And make sure you follow me on my social media that's on the screen in the description down below. And until next video, peace.
Didn't know.